Today in this video, I'll show you exactly how can you clear cache on Snapchat in two different ways. So let's jump right into it. For the first method, we need to open the Snapchat app and do it from the Snapchat app itself. After opening Snapchat, tap on your Bitmoji in the top left corner to go to your profile. And then from your profile, tap on the gear icon to go to your settings in the top right corner. From your settings, scroll all the way down and then you find this clear cache section. Tap on it. And once you tap on continue, the cache will be cleared successfully. The second method, we need to go to your app settings. So let's go ahead and all go to settings. And then from settings, scroll down and tap on apps. Right here under battery. From apps, tap on manage apps. Wait for the apps to load up and then search for Snapchat. Once you find it, tap on it. Then tap on storage. Or just tap on clear cache or data in the bottom right corner, then tap on clear cache, and just like that you have cleared cache in two different methods. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.